Will be a great game, and some of these players are in the form of their lives.
Looks splendid, and the
we have both the captains and the match referee in the middle. Heads is the call and tails it is. Not a bad toss to lose. This could make for a really interesting match. These are the playing 11 for the respective teams.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Here we have the umpires walking in. The fielding side looks charged and ready. In come the openers. Greeted.
Five, four, three, two,
one.
First ball of the innings. He has taken the aerial route and no guessing where it's landed. No worry. That's some clean hitting. Came from the middle of the bat. Good shot for a single. Oh, that's good running. Very good running. Trying to work it in the gap. From the other end. He hasn't hit that well at all. The fielder will take it. Taking the long walk back to the pavilion. Not great execution of the shot. Could have done better. The bowler bowling from his favorite end. Straight to fielder. Playing that. Struck beauty, but couldn't beat the fielder. Goes big, high and long. That came from the middle of the bat. Put away. Batsman sees it early. Good shot. He has got him. That's a sharp catch. Confident appeal, but the umpire says not out. Huge appeal. Looks very close. They have decided to review it.
Checking for a no ball. Fair delivery.
Yeah, definite spike.
Definite puff on the bat.
Bowled him. Little inside edge and takes his bails off. Taking the long walk back to the pavilion. Well bowled and well played. Got into a good position and got enough bat on it to take it to 4. He looks in great touch. Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball. Trying to work it in the gap, finds the fielder at the end. That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length. He has connected that one. Oh, just the sound of it makes it beautiful to watch. He is making the bowler look ordinary here. What's next? He goes from top and in the gap as well. Crowd senses a flurry of boundary here. They are making some serious noise. Right, he has connected that and that's gone for 6. It's one of the shots he plays so well. From the batsman. Really good stroke that. Read the length beautifully. We are witnessing a cracker of a game here. Good to see the crowd getting involved. End of batting power play. Fielding team can have more than 2 fielders outside. He goes from top and in the gap as well. Let's see. Straight to fielder. Batsman looks comfortable playing that shot. With more fielders protecting the boundary, batsman should be able to get easy singles on offer. Nicely played, just a single. There is a fielder at cover. Works it wide of the fielder for a single. The bowler bowling from his favorite end. Glorious shot. Easy pickings for the batsman. He's looking in good touch here. No timing in that shot and comfortably taken. Walking back to the pavilion, disappointed. Not great execution of the shot. Could have done better. That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length. Struck beautifully, but couldn't beat the fielder inside the circle. There is a fielder at cover. That's a wide. Has to bowl that one again. He has looked more comfortable against the fast bowlers. Single taken. Good rotation of strike here from the batsman. Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball. He hasn't hit that well at all. The fielder will take it. Walking back to the pavilion, disappointed. That was a loose stroke. Didn't cover the line of the ball.